In this video, we'll be looking at an overall average rate problem. Recall that distance is equal to rate times time, or d equals r times t. If we solve for r by dividing both sides by t, we get r is equal to d divided by t. To find overall average rate, we use the formula. Overall average rate is equal to total distance divided by total time. So the example that we'll be doing, Frank and Judy drive for 100 miles at 50 miles per hour. Then they drive 180 miles at 60 miles per hour. What is their overall average rate for the trip? Since distance is equal to rate times time, we can solve for t by dividing both sides by r, and we get time is equal to distance divided by rate. Use this formula to find the time for each piece of the trip. So the first piece of the trip, 100 miles at 50 miles per hour, using this formula, t equals distance divided by rate, we get the time for that piece of the trip is 2 hours. The second piece of the trip, 180 miles divided by 60 miles per hour, gives us 3 hours for that part of the trip. Our total distance, add up the two distances, we get 280 miles, and our total time, we add up the two times that we have, we get 5 hours. So our overall average rate is 280 miles divided by 5 hours, which works out to be 56 miles per hour.